Hi guys! Do you know that Dove Dermacare Scalp gives 100% care for stronger and dandruff-free hair? I recently discovered Dove's Dermacare Scalps and it changed everything for me. I used to struggle with sensitive, dull, itchy, and flaky scalp, which led to dull hair and even hair loss. But Dove's Dermacare has been a total game changer for me. It's designed to tackle those scalp issues, leaving my hair shiny, dandruff-free, and full of life. This shampoo contains 3 powerful ingredients that make all the difference: pyrectone, olamine, sunflower seed oil, and niacinamide. Pyrectone olamine fights dandruff, while sunflower seed oil and niacinamide nourish and soothe the scalp, ensuring it stays healthy and hydrated. It's makeup time, but since this video is a hair tutorial, I'm not gonna go very in-depth with the makeup look that I did for this video, but all the products that I use will be linked on the description box below. And basically, this is the makeup look that I do when I'm in a hurry or if I'm going somewhere, because this makeup look is foolproof. It works every time, and this is what I do on most occasions and when I'm going out. So yeah. Now, let me show you how I style my hair after using Dove's Dermacare. Today, I'm sharing my Get Ready With Me hairstyling routine using my Dyson Airwrap. I'm gonna start off by brushing or detangling my hair so it will be a lot easier for me to work with. And after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the brush attachment, the bigger one. And that is just to make sure that I don't miss any tangle. And yeah. Then this part is my favorite, and this attachment, I'm so in love with this one. It's the flyaway attachment. I don't know what it's called, but it's wonderful. It does remove all the flyaways, makes your hair super smooth and just shiny. I love it. Then with the 1.2-inch barrel, I'm creating these beautiful bouncy curls. The Dyson Airwraps the hair using air, making it less damaging compared to traditional curlers. After I sectioned my hair and curled them, I curled them for about 20 to 25 seconds. And then after that, I turn off the heat and I wait for another 10 seconds before I let them go, just to cool them down and make sure that it's gonna hold my curls. I just basically repeat this process over and over again until I'm done with all of my hairs. Once the curls are done, I let them cool before brushing them out for a softer, more voluminous look. Finally, and if I'm going out, I will use a bit of Dove hairspray to hold everything in place without making it crunchy. And finally, for the last step that I do, I just take all the front pieces and then brush them away from my face using this brush attachment, which I really love. And this just creates a lot more volume and makes your face look a little bit more put together. So I love this step so much. My hair feels fantastic thanks to Dove's Dermacare Scalp Soothing Moisture Shampoo. If you're dealing with sensitive or flaky scalp issues, give Dove Dermacare a try and see the difference for yourself.